Hello there, my name is Jashmit Singh and I hope the sky is clear. Um, I know that I am too late over here, so it is something that I don't know really about that. Why I'm not making the video on YouTube because I'm not continuing. Is that also the matter? So, yes, in these previous weeks, I think the 3 weeks have passed. I'm really busy in my work. Um, yes, that's the work, yes, that only. Does it matter? You can see here something has been changed. The tree and the front yard is also being converted. Means it's look like that we have a lot of space over here. And also the sky has we got the very much sky. Uh, that's my cat. But from just recently, my cat has make this stuff. Yes, this one. So I really can't go inside my house, in my room especially. So I have an idea so that I can move without disturbing my cat and without knowing him. So let's let's follow me, huh? I will just make a portal over here, so it directly uh, make me into my room, so I can without that knowing my cat, I can towards my room easily. So let's make a portal, huh? Okay, after that I reached in my room now without knowing my cat. It is something that from the portal it is really amazing that you can see everything is changed. You have not seen me in this look that I am changed my this turban, and this watch also changed. Yes. So after that the portal is very amazing. I means suddenly it's just appear me in my just throughout from the front yard to the my this room. So okay, I am safe, you are entertained, and my cat is failed to guess where is I am. So um, okay, without wasting time, let's continue the PC work.
Okay, so here we are in the Photoshop, and here I will just show you the very quick tips and tricks for the means it is not a trick and means some type it is a trick or whatever thing it means the fastest way of processing your photos. So here we go to the file, open it, and I will choose the image of the wheel nebula and the filamentary nebula for this video. So here in the Photoshop it is reading a TIFF format. As for the guidance, the UI of the screen you can see here is the Photoshop CS 5.1 extended, and I really love this image. Means the option over here that you can see Adobe RGB, you can just click OK. So as the image opens, so it is on the 32-bit. So as I am talking about the Photoshop, it is a old version, so but the some I will as I will continue the further, so you will see that what is the changes in the latest ones and the oldest ones. So you have to just do the same as I have done. Click on the method and then gamma exposure to the actual image. So now it will convert from 32 to 16 bit. Yes, we will wait here. As I said, it's totally depend upon your system, that what system did you have, and now it is changed 16 bit. So as you can see here. Okay, now I will go to the image, adjustment and curves. So you have to just push see the lower ones and the brightest ones, then push that little bit up. Okay, now you can see here is some gradients at the vignities, you can see at the edges. So we will do the amazing filter called gradient exterminator by Astro. You will open it, run it. It is available on the free. As a trial, it's not a free, it's very expensive. It's only a single plugin. You can see here it's only a 1 day remaining trial. So for this, please like the video, it really motivates me. So continue. So you have to done the settings just here, the medium, the detail medium, and aggressiveness is also the medium. Yes, nothing is here, it is blank. Just okay, and just keep your hands free and let's the filter does for you. Okay, so you can see here it's awesome, just magic happens with the exterminator. Now fit the screen, and this you can see here is the nebula, just this portion. We have a very clean image, you can see. It is shot by the Manan in Ranikhet from Bangalore, and as you can see, as my previous video, the 10th video also, it's an image that's also shot by him, the North American nebula. So this image is also shot by him, and it is the exposure, only the star tracker and a camera and a tripod is used, nothing advanced it is used. It's a very beginner level, so you can also do by yourself. If you are new to the Astro field, doesn't matter. So here I goes. You can see here the histogram is also perfect by the exterminator. Now it is time to crop. The details of the image I will give in the description. What's the detail on that time while shooting, and mostly the technical details. You can see this image I have also processed and posted by in its Instagram account, and it's very awesome, you can see there. So that's it. This is a BTS video, you can also say. So okay, now it is completely done, and now not a very much mistake. I will just take the curves, as I'm in the curves, so I will just take it. There is also a game. I will also make a comment me down below if you want this tutorial in the GIMP, so I will also make this tutorial in GIMP also, so that you can make it anywhere. So there's not the way that you can't run, means the gradient exterminator will not run in the GIMP. So there's another method, you can reduce the gradients, remove the gradients by some methods. So now Control U for hue and saturation. You can just also click by the adjustments and select the hue and saturation. So now let's saturate it so that it really boosts the color from it. Okay, the 40 is perfect. Okay, now we will do the again the same thing. This is not the adjustment curves, and curves will be the same as we have done earlier, and you can see that take a point from here so that it's really easy for you that how to process it. You can see the as you can see here, stars are popping out. So let's maintain it. Yeah, there's a lot of noise at the background if you are hearing, so sorry. So yes, okay, it is done. So you can see here there are some things is left, so you can also take a pre-advanced the auto color. It also helps a lot, but in some cases it helps, but not in all cases. So here it helps me and I will take advantage of it. Pretty nice. You can see it, you can maintain it by yourself. So now there's a much stars were there, so and color range, and then go to the highlights and you can just selecting the stars by default. So okay, so you can see the stars were now only the selected. Now go to the filter, other and minimum, and you can see just the stars and before and after over here. You can take the radius also, but it is completely gone the stars, so one is perfect. Yes, in the other version of the Photoshop you will not see this some cases, as the you can change, as you can see here the stars where the irregularness is here, but in the later version of the Photoshop there is no irregularness. You can change the irregularness to the roundness the actual the stars are. So okay, I will just go to enter. Now you have to in the keyboard you have to press the Control D to deselect, and then you can see the before and after over here, that curves before and after. So a lot of different is done over here, and then we have to go to the just simply the curves, and again just push out the areas of the image. This is how the magic of the processing happens, and you can really make it by doing some in the many other softwares also, the pixel inside. So okay, I liking here, and Control B, the color balance. You can also go to the image and adjustments, color balance, the midtones to the yellow, and just is fine, cool. So okay, you can just make it here in the actual color. Something you can see here is the actualness, and the other you can see the photos. Now you can just make the brightness. This is all the help of the auto color is done here, and then make it a very full brightness too. It means the only the area which is surrounded here. So this is all the process that I have done, and you can see here is the something. You can see the brightness part. You can just fix by the more the masking you can do, and everything can be fixed out. So it is easy to process Astro imaging. You can see the before and after. Also the gradient exterminator is very helpful in this, as a before and after. As you can see, here's the curves and the cropping is done. So the cropping and the after the curve section you can also see, or this autocolor is also the fine, not very bad. Cropping and after, before and after. It's really amazing. So that's how the Photoshop really works in the astrophotography field. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe. Your little bit help makes me very motivational. So just thanks. Clear skies.